clue series, What Is That? Clues. Maybe you can guess it before time runs out. Is it a sponge or a leaf? The spot's over and I still don't know the answer. What is that? Series premiere Thursday, April 4th at 10 on Science.
Saddle making goes back thousands of years, but in modern times, saddle makers have realized that a bad-fitting saddle can irritate the horse. An experienced rider will undoubtedly feel the difference in the animal's attitude and performance. So now, saddles must be custom-made to fit both the horse and the rider. To make an English saddle, they attach both rigid and flexible steel strips to a frame made of polyurethane, which is called a tree. Then they rivet a stirrup bar through the tree to the steel